Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll give the meaning of the word inadvertently. Inadvertently means doing things by mistake without any intention of doing any wrong. It is that you are doing something without any by mistake you are doing something. So now I will write some example sentences like, to make the meaning clear, I'll make some sentences like, Rohit inadvertently deleted the important messages from his mobile phone. Like he by mistake has inadvertently deleted the messages. Then you can also write, Raju inadvertently went down to the other stoppage. The child inadvertently entered his friend's classroom. Lina inadvertently studied English before her maths examination. He inadvertently went to the wrong direction. I hope the meaning of inadvertently is clear to everyone.